Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll do some multiple choice questions having more than one option correct. At the starting of the video, we'll learn SNI mechanism in detail. Then we can solve the multiple choice questions followed by SNI mechanism. Let us explain SNI mechanism. Substitution nucleophilic internal. For SNA reaction, we have to take alcohol and thionyl chloride. Alcohol contains an oxygen atom which has two lone pairs. Being electron rich, it is a nucleophile. SOCl2 has sulfur atom at the center, bonded to 2 chlorine and 1 oxygen atom on 3 different sides. As oxygen and chlorine are electronegative, so the sulfur at the center is electron deficient, carries positive charge, partial positive charge. Oxygen and chlorine atoms try to withdraw electrons from sulfur. So between alcohol and thionyl chloride, the lone pair on alcohol attacks the electron deficient center of thionyl chloride, that is sulfur atom. So a bond is formed. Here oxygen gives a pair of electrons to form a bond and gains a positive charge. You see, if there are 3 bonds with oxygen atom, oxygen carries a positive charge. When oxygen forms a bond with sulfur, the pi bond, which is loosely held, shifted and O becomes negatively charged. But the negative charge on oxygen immediately forms a pi bond with sulfur or a double bond. Then existing sulfur chlorine bond will break. Here chlorine will be removed as Cl minus. Simultaneously H from OH will be removed as H plus. H plus and Cl minus combine to give HCl, that is a strong bond between H plus and Cl minus combine to give HCl. The bond between H and Cl is strong. Here alcohol is a nucleophile because oxygen is electron rich. SOCl2 has electron deficient center. Sulfur being electron deficient needs electron. So the lone pair on oxygen of alcohol forms a bond with sulfur of thionyl chloride. A pair of electron donated by oxygen between O of alcohol and S of thionyl chloride, a bond is formed. O becomes positive charge because it has 3 bonds. During the formation of bond, the pi bond between S and O in SOCl2 is shifted and O becomes negatively charged. The negative charge on oxygen immediately forms a pi bond with sulfur, and the existing sulfur chlorine bond breaks. Chlorine is removed as Cl minus. At the same time, O plus withdraws electron from OH bond because oxygen is electronegative, cannot carry positive charge for a longer period. H plus released from OH and Cl minus released from HCl combine to give HCl. The bond between H and Cl is strong, and the intermediate formed is ROSOCl, alkyl chlorosulfide. In alkyl chlorosulfide, chlorine is negative. The lone pair on oxygen between R and S will form a pi bond with sulfur. Then the RO bond becomes weaker. R carries positive charge becomes partially positive. Cl being negative tries to form a bond with R, or you can say the carbon of the alkyl group. You see a 4-center transition state is created. A weak bond is formed between Cl and R. A double bond, you can say partial double bond, is formed between O and S. The bond between R and O becomes weaker. Then RCl is formed and SO2 is removed. Here you see one thing, HCl is produced first, then SO2. If R has a chiral center in alcohol, then retention of configuration will be obtained. Let us take a carbon atom containing CH3H, C2H5 and OH. You see the product as shown on the screen. Here OH is just replaced by chlorine, so retention of configuration occurs. If above reaction is carried out in presence of pyridine, then Walden inversion occurs, provided the alkyl group has a chiral center. Let us take the same example. You see chlorine leaving HCl bond as Cl minus, H leaving as H plus from OH bond, combine with pyridine to give pyridinium chloride. Then alkyl chlorosulfide is provided with Cl minus from the back side, so Walden inversion occurs. If sulfur is replaced by carbon, then the compound is COCl2, that is phosgene. The possible products are alkyl chloride, carbon dioxide and HCl. After learning SNI mechanism in detail, we can solve the following multiple choice questions. The multiple choice questions have more than one option correct. Let us solve one by one. First question, which is true for beta? It follows SNI mechanism. Here HCl is produced first, then SO2, and RCl is produced in pure form. Next, the alkyl chloride has retention of configuration if it has a chiral center. If COCl2 phosgene is used instead of SOCl2, the products are alkyl chloride, hydrogen chloride and CO2. You see here all the options are correct. Next question, which is true? SN2 undergoes inversion of configuration, SN1 undergoes racemization, SNI undergoes retention of configuration. Next bit, optically active alkyl chloride from alcohol and thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine undergoes Walden inversion. You see all the options are correct. Third question, in Dargen process SNI mechanism occurs. Alkyl chlorosulfide is produced as an intermediate. Next bit, the intermediate undergoes 4-center transition state to give the alkyl chloride. Last bit, retention of configuration occurs if it has a chiral center. Here all the options are correct. Thank you for watching the video till the end.